Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sara Bioinformatics YouTube channel. I am Sarita and I am very excited to welcome you to this NGS Bioinformatics Master's course. If you are a student, our biotechnology, bioinformatics, life science, microbiology, genetics, or if you are an MSc student, PhD scholar, researchers, our faculty members who want to learn NGS data analysis from the very beginning, then this course is designed for you. Nowadays, next generation sequencing is one of the most powerful technologies in biological research. However, many students find NGS data analysis difficult because they don't know where to start. In this complete course, we will learn everything step by step from basic concept to research level data analysis. So let's begin your journey. Next, before we start learning NGS, I want to answer one simple question. Why did I create this course? During my own learning journey and research, I noticed that most online tutorials directly start with software. They tells you run fast QC, run star, run dissect too. But they rarely explain why we are using these tools or what the data actually represent. As a result, many students can follow commands but cannot understand the biological meaning behind the analysis. That is exactly what I want to change. In this course, we will first understand the concept, then learn the practical analysis. My goal is not just to teach software but to help you think like a bioinformatician. Now let's understand the most important question. What is NGS? NGS stands for Next Generation Sequencing. It is modern sequencing technology that enable scientists to sequence millions of DNA or RNA fragments at the same time. Earlier sequencing was much slower because only a small amount of DNA could be analyzed at once. Today, with NGS, researchers can generate enormous amount of sequencing data within hours or days. This technology has completely transformed biological research because it is faster, more accurate, and capable of analyzing entire genome or transcriptome. Why is NGS important? Now you might ask, why is NGS so important? The answer is simple. Today, almost every area of biology and medicine depend on sequencing data. NGS is used to identify mutation in cancer, diagnose rare genetic disease, study gene expression using RNA sequencing, monitor infection disease, understand microbial communities, improve agriculture crops, and support precision medicine. Every day, laboratories around the world generate huge amount of sequencing data, but generating data is only the beginning. The real challenge is converting the data into meaningful biological knowledge. That is where bioinformatics become essential. So, what exactly is NGS data analysis? NGS data analysis is the computational process of converting raw sequencing data into meaningful biological information. Our goal is not simply to generate output files. Our goal is to answer biological questions. For example, which genes are involved in a disease? Which mutations are responsible for a genetic disorder? Which genes are highly expressed? Which biological pathways are affected? Which gene could become potential drug target? When we convert raw sequencing data into answer to these questions, that entire process is called NGS data analysis. Now let me tell you what we will learn throughout this course. This is not a one day tutorial, it is a complete learning journey. We will begin with the fundamentals of molecular biology because understanding DNA, RNA, gene, and genome is essential before learning sequencing. Then we will explore sequencing technology and understand how sequencing machines generate data. After that, we will learn the complete NGS workflow, understand sequencing file, analyzing data, step by step interpret biological results, and finally understand how research publish scientific discoveries using NGS. Every topic will first be explained conceptually, followed by practical demonstration. These slides show the roadmap of the entire course. We will begin with NGS fundamentals, where we will build a strong foundation. Then we will learn different sequencing technologies and understand how sequencing works. And after that, we will study the complete NGS workflow and learn how sequencing data are generated. Next, we will understand sequencing data, formats, quality assessment, data processing, sequencing alignment, gene expression analysis, variant calling analysis, and functional interpretation. Finally, we will connect the, all these concepts to real research applications. By the end of the course, you will understand the complete workflow used in genomic research. This course is designed for everyone who want to learn NGS bioinformatics, where you are a BSc student, MSc student, PhD scholar, researchers, faculty member, or healthcare professional interested in genomics. You can follow this course. The best part is the no previous experience in NGS data analysis is required. We will start from the basic and gradually move towards advanced concept. One thing that makes this course different is the way we will learn. Every topic will begins with a clear concept explanation. Then we will use diagram and visual example to make complex ideas easier to understand. After that, we will perform practical demonstration step by step, and finally we will connect each concept to real research application so that you understand not only how to perform an analysis but also why it is matter. And you have taken the first step toward learning NGS bioinformatics. Remember, in this course, we are not simply learning how to run software. We are learning how to understand sequencing data and think like bioinformaticians. In the next episode, we will learn with the foundation of molecular biology. We will understand DNA, RNA, gene, chromosome, and genome because these concepts are the building blocks of the everything we will study later in this course. If you found the introduction helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sarah Bioinformatics YouTube channel, and share this course with your friend and colleagues. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon next video. Thank you so much.